go.
What's up guys, Phil here today with another video, and today I have a toolbox and I have my PlayStation 4 out today. So today I'm gonna open it up, probably clean it a little bit. I'm not gonna get too far into the breakdown of it because I do not have all the proper screws, but then this video should give you a general idea of how to get into a PS4 properly. So without any further ado, let me get on with the video. So here we have the PlayStation 4. So what I'm just gonna do first is that I'm gonna lie it flat here, and I'm gonna take the top casing off. Oh, just in case, just for tools, you're gonna need a T8 Torx screwdriver. You actually need a TR9 or a T8 Torx security screw. The T8 Torx security screw is the one that has a little hole in the middle. Another one that you're gonna need is a star screwdriver and a flathead. Alright, so got these ones here. So all we're gonna do is that we're just gonna pop it off, and hopefully I can get it off in one try. There we go. We got that off. So all of these screws here require a TR9 or a T8 Torx security screw. But what we're gonna do here is that we're just gonna unscrew the hard drive. The cool thing about this hard drive here, it's actually the screw. Now this screw is a PlayStation screw, so it's got the square, circle, triangle, and X on it. So that is pretty cool. For those of you who've opened this before, you will know. So you just slide that boy out, and there we go. We got the hard drive. To replace the hard drive is actually not that hard. All you need to do is take the star head screwdriver, unscrew this, and then you could replace it with an SSD or a bigger hard drive. So ideally you'd want to replace it with a SSD for faster game load times, or you could just put a bigger hard drive if you got a big game library. But preferably an SSD. You're gonna have to go to the PlayStation website and then download the PlayStation software on a USB, then load it onto the PlayStation when you put in the new hard drive though. So that's something to keep in mind. So then after that, we're gonna turn it around, and as you see here, this is where black stickers are supposed to be. I already removed it. So with the black stickers, you take those off, and then it'll reveal to you the T8 Torx screws. Yeah, so keep in mind, when you remove these, it'll void your warranty. But I've had my PlayStation 4 since 2016, so my warranty has already expired, so there's that. So basically all you're gonna do at this point is take your T8 Torx security screw and just unscrew it. You don't have to unscrew both panels here. You just have to screw the bottom panel. If you have a TR9 or a T8 Torx security screw, you can also unscrew these screws here to get to the top panel. So as you can see now, it is loose here. But what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna take a flathead screwdriver and just pry it along the sides just to make sure it gets out. So just go around it. With your PS4 it might be different, because I think some PlayStation 4s, even though this is a first generation model, they have another screw there and another screw there, so I'm not really sure. There we go. So now we got the bottom panel off, so we're just gonna slide it all open. So as you can see there, this is the entire PlayStation 4. Here is the fan. So if you want to go further with the tear down, you're gonna break off. You're gonna unscrew these. This is for the power supply, but you're not gonna get any further than this if you don't have a T8 Torx security screwdriver or a TR9 So there we go. We're just finishing off unscrewing this one. There we go. So initially after this, if you really want to clean your PlayStation very thoroughly, you're gonna unscrew there, and you're gonna unscrew this, that, and that, and you're gonna just lift off the power supply to the other side, unless you also want to disconnect the power supply. You don't have to do that. You can just take it off and lean to one side, and then you can clean your PlayStation 4's fan thoroughly. And if you want to clean it any further, you can flip it over, unscrew these parts, and then you'll take off this top piece where you can also clean there, because this thing gets dusty, as you can see. Yeah, so that is basically the tear down of this thing. Just make sure, probably take a photo of yourself doing this, or like take a photo of where all the screws were, because you're gonna want to remember where these things go. So now I'm just gonna put this back together and check if it still works. Make sure you tighten everything back. Make sure it's tight. It has been screwed together, so let me make sure it works. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this sort of tear down of the first generation PS4. I wish I could have gone further, but unfortunately I did not have the proper screws, but at least it was something. So thank you all for watching. Peace.